Okay, reading table D. So this is the back of our textbook. If you open up a few pages, not far from the back, it's always hard to find. It's in these yellowish pages, and here it is on this side. You got to create some room here. All right, so there is what's called a table of random digits. Now, I know this was your question, but the College Board and Mr. Fiedler need you to be able to do two things that both get you random digits. I need you to be able to read this, which is your question, and I also need you to be able to find random digits on your calculator. Let me just quickly go through this again, and if it's too fast, tell me and we'll go through it. Press the math button, go over to PRB, and then the fifth one down will get you random integers. And let's say, I don't know, there's 15 people in our stats class. Let's say I want to randomly select 3 students from our AP statistics class to do something. Here's what I do. Lowest number, highest number, and then the number of students I want to pick. 15 students. I've numbered each student from 1 to 15, and I think I assigned them, let's say that I assigned them by alphabetical order. Close out the parenthesis and hit enter. And so if I wanted to do some sort of experiment, I would pick student number 6, student number 7, and then student number 13. That, in my opinion, is the best way to randomly pick 3 numbers or 3 integers. That's my opinion, though. The College Board wants you to also to be able to do that using this table. Okay, that's in the inside back of your textbook. Now, a lot of students, 3 students have asked. I'm guessing that this is your question. Well, do we open this up during the test? No, the test or the College Board will give you a question that will just give you a piece of that table. Like they'll just give you one random line in the middle, and they'll say, hey, do the same thing you did on the calculator, but use the table to do it. Okay, and so let's go back to that statistics question. So let's say that I wanted to pick from our 15 students in AP statistics, I want to pick 3 students, but now this time I want to use the table to do that. Well, how would I assign the students? I need to make sure that I'm clear on that. So I'm going to number in alphabetical order the students from 01 all the way out to 15. Now you probably noticed I just did something different there. Notice that I used 2 digits. The reason that I used 2 digits is because there are 15 students total in my class, and I want each of the 2-digit numbers to be equally likely to happen. So what does that mean outside of this question that I'm doing? Let's pretend that we're picking, 100 students. If I was picking out of 100 students, I would number from 001 ... all the way to 100. If it was 1,000, there's 4 digits in 1,000, right? ... If I don't do it that way, then not all the digits are equally likely to happen. Okay, so go back to our question. Our AP stats class, 15 students in AP class, AP stats. I number from 01 to 15, and let's see how table D works. Okay, now, if you're doing the experiment, you can start at the beginning if you want. You can start in the middle of the line. You can start anywhere you want. The College Board and me on my test will give you a line or maybe 2 lines and say, hey, use this line to randomly select 3 students in our 15-student AP stats class. Let's say that I just start at the beginning. Okay, the top line. It's easy. Why not start in the upper left-hand corner unless I'm told? Okay, so like on a test, you could probably just see this one line. All right, so here we go. First, so I'm doing digits 2 at a time because there's 15 students. The first number, 19, no good. Why? Because it's bigger than 15. 22, no good. 39, no good. 50, 34, we could be at this for a while. 05, there's my first student that I'm picking is 05. 75, 62, 87, 13, there's my second. 96, 40, 91, 25, 31, 42, 54, 48. Isn't this fun? 28, 53. I didn't get it in that line. So what do? I go down to the next line. And I keep going. If I get any repeats, I'm going to skip it. So I could possibly go even further. 7-3, 6-7, 6-4, 7-1, 5-0. You're saying, what the heck is he doing? I'm trying to find a number that's 15 or less. 9-9, 4-0. Oh, here we go. 0-0. No, that's not in my number. Start it. 1-9, 2-7. This is awesome. 2-7 again. 7-5, 4-4, 2-6, 4-8, 8-2, 4-2, 5-3, 6-2, 9-0. Next line. 4-5, 4-6. 7-1, 1-7, 0-9. Finally, 0-9. I had to go all the way down to the third line. That rarely happens that I have to do that far. But it happened this time. Who cares? It took a little bit of patience. Would that happen on an AP exam? I don't think so. Would that happen on one of my tests? Well, I get my tests from the textbook publisher, so I don't think so. But it happened here, which is good. It's an extreme case. Now, I think that you would agree that this is way more tedious than using this sucker. That's why I like this a lot better. But remember what I said. College Board does want you to be able to read from a table of random digits. It does. That's just the way it is, the environment that we're living in, and so we got to figure out how to do it. Hope this helps, and if it doesn't, please let's Zoom and make it make sense to you.